Dogs hate gray. They hate it. They love black and white. They want clarity. That's all they want, right? Imagine you go to work and you do a certain level of performance and your boss is like, yep, that's fine. Great job. Good work. You get paid the same amount. Then one day you come in and all of a sudden you get less in your paycheck. And you ask your boss, well, what happened? Well, your performance isn't up to par. What do you mean? You've been telling me all along it was good. Now all of a sudden you're telling me it's wrong? Right? So every rep I'm saying yes and giving her a cookie, and she's doing it really fast. So there, I really barely moved my hand and she already popped all the way up, right? And I was like, yeah, that was really good. Look at you. So now this whole time, I've never had to tell her she was wrong, right? If she made a mistake, I would have just helped her or simplified. Most dogs just want to get out of there. That's the reality, right? And that's why I want to create backwards thoughts. And that's all I work on with them forever is adding backwards motion in all the positions in every piece of that exercise. I do not want the dog to move forward, then move back. So a mistake a lot of people make is their dog moves forward and they'll say to the dog, that's wrong, and then they'll tell the dog to back up. From the dog's perspective, all they know is they moved forward, then they moved back, then we said you're correct, and they got reinforced.